Do you want to get the best parking spot when you park in the city? Do you ever find yourself stuck in an endless loop, circling parking lots, praying for a miracle to find the perfect parking spot? Introducing Everything is Possible's parking method. This is your key to unlocking the best parking spots effortlessly. Meet Sarah, a busy professional who never settles for mediocre parking. She has discovered the power of manifestation. With our method, Sarah visualizes her perfect parking spot every time. She harnesses the power of her intentions, and manifests it into reality. No more stressful searches or wasted time. Our method helps you to manifest the parking spots near your destination. Whether you're a busy professional, a housewife, a driver, or an event enthusiast, our method is made for you to always find the best parking spots. Unlock the power of manifestation and say goodbye to parking woes with Everything is Possible's manifestation program.